Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
As we journey south along Newfoundland Route 72, also known as Port de Grave Road, we're traveling through the scenic Port de Grave Peninsula. This highway, though short at just under 10 kilometers, connects several historic communities that have been integral to Newfoundland's fishing heritage. Starting in Bay Roberts, we pass through Coley's Point and Black Duck Pond before arriving in Bareneed. Bareneed was likely settled in the late 1600s by English fishermen, initially on a seasonal basis and later year-round. By 1800, it had become an established community, thriving on its inshore cod fishery and emerging as a significant fishing center in Conception Bay. Continuing our drive, we pass through Hussey's Cove and Ship Cove, then navigate the hilly terrain north of Blow Me Down. The highway leads us to Hibbs Cove before reaching its end in the coastal neighborhood of Pick Eyes. This route offers a glimpse into Newfoundland's rich fishing history and the enduring charm of its coastal communities.
watching!